Hi, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about REITs as an interesting investment idea in this volatile climate. Yesterday, or my last video, I spoke to you regarding precious metals. Today I want to talk about REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. Now, real estate investment trusts typically own shopping centers, professional buildings, seniors' homes, and apartment buildings. Those are quite common assets that are owned inside a real estate investment trust. Now, that real estate investment trust, what they do is they collect rents from these organizations or people or families. They take those rents, they pay, from the rents they pay their expenses for management, upkeep on the building, etc. After the expenses are paid, they pay the profits owed to the unit holders. Quite often, those profits can represent 7, 8, or 9% return on your invested dollar. So if you paid $10 for XYZ REIT and it's yielding 90 cents in the next 12 months, if it's going to pay you 90 cents, there's a 9% return, or 80, etc. It's interesting because REITs tend to pay you a steady stream of income. Now, that income is much greater than you might be able to receive from, let's say today, a Government of Canada bond, a GIC, a bank account, something like a guaranteed interest rate. The problem, our interest rates are very low. Yields on REITs are relatively high in relation to that. So that attracts money to the sector because of the better returns. What we're finding now are, as the population ages, the demand for income, because people are starting to live on their investments, on the income from their investments, is rising. That's attracting people to better paying asset classes. I'm not saying that the share price of the REIT won't fluctuate, because it will. It'll go up and down with market environment, etc., for whatever reason. But if that REIT shows you a history of consistently paying you the return, the yield they call it, or distribution, then you can be comfortable that over time, those apartment buildings and professional centers and shopping centers and seniors' homes are gradually going to appreciate in value, which they have historically done. That will drive your unit price higher over time. We're more interested in the yield currently. So if I want to draw an analogy, let's say, to a dairy farmer is interested in the cow that yields the milk. They're very interested in how much milk that cow will yield. They're not actually overly interested in the price of beef. Beef fluctuates in value. Yield is what they're interested in. We want that, that stream of milk to live on, if you will, and maintaining the value of the beef over time. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. It's an avenue that I think you should be aware of and helpful in today's very volatile environment. Thanks for listening. Remember, if you have any questions about this video or previous videos in this series, come to my website, dennisgraves.ca, and send me an email, or check me out on Twitter and LinkedIn. I'd be glad to answer your emails, or we'll put out a new video on the topic that you'd like to discuss. Thanks, and have a great day.